We're gonna run this BONOSS 20mm hub-centric wheel spacers on Toyota GR Corolla. You can see the difference they make.
If you are investing in new offset wheels, then a set of Toyota Corolla wheel spacer will be perfect for those wheels. Wheel spacers are just automobile accessories that install between the hub assembly and the wheel. The wheel locks apply a clamping force to secure the spacer and the wheel to the vehicle hub.
By providing a more even distribution of weight across a wheel assembly, hub-centric wheel spacers can reduce the stress placed on individual components, such as the wheel bearings and suspension. This can increase the durability of components and reduce the risk of accidents and breakdowns. Hub-centric wheel spacers are designed to fit perfectly around the vehicle's hub, ensuring that the wheel's weight is evenly distributed according to the hub, and not the wheel studs. This minimizes the risk of vibrations and ensures a better fit. Making hub-centric wheel spacers generally considered the best option, especially for high-speed driving or demanding conditions. Good hub-centric wheel spacers are designed for the racetrack that needs specific load requirements. BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers come with multi-stage hub-centric lips. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers fit the corresponding hub spacers. This design is effectively in eliminating the vibration of wheels. BONOSS wheel spacers are crafted from 7075 T6 and 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles. BONOSS wheel spacers undergo over 73 SGS and tooth testing, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards with precise manufacturing tolerance and rigorous quality control. These spacers offer compromising safety and reliability. Whether you are aiming for a wider stance, better handling, or improved brake clearance, BONOSS wheel spacers provide a perfect solution.